Hi, what's up guys? Everything okay? Welcome back to Rosso Model channel. Part number 3 guys. Part number 3, and I think it's very interesting part. Today we will do the primer and also the base color guys. And I think it will be awesome. We have a new kind of primer, street blisters. This is the primer that I will use, and after that a zero paint Rosso Corsa 332. And I think it's awesome color by Zero Paint. As you know me, I love to use Zero Paint. I think they awesome color, and I will show you how I handle with the paint. I hope that everybody enjoy of the body preparation and do it at home. And if you have question, again, I'm all the time here to help you. So let's move forward to the workbench. I will spray the primer, and after that I will show you how I sand it little bit and prepare it for the base color. And also we will do the base color today guys. In one part you will see two kind of color and paint job. So I hope that you understand, and we will use my wonderful Agrex. This is the gun that I use, and it's wonderful, a 0.5. It spray the primer and the base color very good. And I know that many of you want to know about the paint job, and sometimes on camera you don't see very well how I do it. I will try to give my tip and do it very slowly. So no need to talk, let's paint, let's enjoy. This channel will enjoy it. Pista, do you ready? See it for the last time in this color, and let's continue. Enjoy, and let's start. Yes guys, okay, before we continue to the base color of this car, the Pista will be in red. Remember that I said, and I say it again, what I do, I wait until the primer will be cure, around half hour, it's definitely cure, and I can sand it. What I do, just a small sand it with 3000 sponge by Tamiya. It's like a green one. And what I do usually, I just touch the body and get rid of all the dust and all the unkind material that I don't want in the body before the base color. And it's very important to do it. If people see my model, they see that the paint job really good and nice. So this is what I'm doing. Look, if I will take my finger and just move it, you will see all the small primer that I sand, and it's very good because now all the area it's very flat, and when you spray the base color it will be fantastic without any issue. I promise you that if you will do the same things that I do, you will get the same result. Remember, I show you everything that I do, and it's very important for the people that want to learn how to make it right and how create a wonderful model. This is my tip for you guys. If you see any area that I have dust, also over there I have little bit dust, I sand it little bit, and if I sand too much and I see the resin again, I will take my airbrush and spray a little bit primer because I want one color in all my car. And it's very important to get rid all the dust, and all the time with your finger feel it and verify it. It's very smooth and it's very good for you, and you will see the end result, how the wonderful color lay down. In a couple of seconds we will start the base color Rosso Corsa 332. Sorry, it's 322. Not 33, it's 322. And it's fantastic color, very nice. Some people say that Ferrari make a pink primer. If you think it will be better look, you can do it. Remember, it's just a model, and if you want better like the car, like the Ferrari do it in a pink primer, you can also do it, but I don't think in model you can invest too much money to buy primer in pink, primer in red. Just make it with light gray. I think it's amazing. Look how I feel all the time, what I'm doing, and verify where I need to sand a little bit more from all the shape. Like over there I have little bit unsmooth area, so what I do, very softly take all the area in once again with my finger, and I see it's getting better. And this is all the meaning. I can't show you on camera what it's meaning, but if you spray primer the straight blister like me, and after that you will feel with your finger where the area is smooth and where the area is not smooth, and do it with 3000. It's very nice and clean. After that, remember, the preparation of the body is the most important thing on modeling, because 80% of the car is the body. Yes, do you see? Even that we add the wheels and things like that, but the paint job, it's awesome, and invest the time. This is why I make around 5 or 4 parts just for the body, for the people that understand what I'm doing. And once again, thank you guys for the new people that come and want to learn. It's amazing. Many people ask me a question, and it's fantastic. And I hope you count the time that I say, guys, soon I will make and show you who is the winner, and it will be fantastic. But don't skip this process, guys. I know sometimes it's boring to sand in all the time and see me sanding, but it's very important to you that you will succeed to make nice models. So let me finish, and we will go to the work structure fan, and we will paint it. Okay, wait for us. Okay, so guys, yes, we have it. The Pista get the base color. I think it's fantastic. As you can see, everything look amazing. The paint is already dry. It's dry very quickly, but don't do the decal works now and the masking tape now. Wait a day, let the paint cure, and then you can use a masking tape, because on this model we need to paint in black the spoiler over there, and also the skirts, and many more parts before we will do the decals and also the carbon fiber decals. I hope that you enjoy today. This is the color that I do. I think it's amazing color by Ferrari. I don't know if I paint it in pink and after that in red it will create effect, but it's depend on you and how you want to do it. I hope that you enjoy today, and not at all much long video for the people that all the time no have time and no have patience to see things. But if you love see model build in one part, you can look and search for a different channel. In this channel we do things like a pro, and each time that you see parts, you go at home and learn something new. And this is very important for the people that want to build models, not just see. And that's all, guys. I really enjoy. I hope that you also enjoy from the paint job. I know that sometimes you don't see how I make it, but I try to do my best from many point of view. And I hope that you enjoy. See you next time with the next part. I think it's going to be wonderful parts. I will apply the carbon fiber decal on the car and also the decals from Alpha model kit, and it will be awesome. So we wait for the next part, guys. Bye bye, take care. Rosso Model Channel.
Find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep.